Hey guys, hope you're well. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be testing 2 bits of gear. NRG, which is like a survival food, long life, freeze dried oats I believe. I don't actually know, we're going to find out. But yeah, this is a long life prepper food. It's called NRG-5 Zero and it has quite a long date. It's an emergency food ration. So the date on the back is valid till 2036, which is quite a long time, over 5 years, so 15 years. So yeah, over 15 years shelf life, and I wonder if it's possibly eatable after that. So comes out, it's in a silver foil, so I'll show you that. You can do it into portions, but it's a day's food right there. Okay, the other thing I'm going to show you guys, multi-tool, survival multi-tool with a miniature axe head, which I'm not sure if I'll ever actually use this. I just saw it online and it looked so cool, I thought I had to have it. So this multi-tool is made by Reesibi. I don't know the brand, for all I know it's just like a generic brand or not, but yeah, that's what it looks like. So again, you're not really going to be chopping any limbs off if you get stuck yet, but we're getting closer. Comes with a set of pliers, which is quite useful. Long nose pliers. They actually feel quite good. Not too bad. I quite like in here you've got a little flint and steel, or a little flint, I don't know what you'd knock it against, so that's nicely tucked away in there. So pliers. Right, you also have, which is quite cool, hold on, the dog's about to knock the camera over. Aye, well, come on. Cool, you also have, see, I haven't actually spent that much time looking at it yet, so I'm working it out with you guys. You've got a little set of screwdriver heads. So, screwdriver heads, hammer, miniature chopping axe, screwdriver. Trying to remember where the screwdriver piece is actually. Ah, of course, and something that's quite, of course, something else that's quite important. It's got, if you're in a survival situation, which is why I bought this. It's in my imaginary prepper thing. You've got a nail file, screwdriver head, yeah, bottle opener. So the bottle opener is the real can opener, bottle opener. And incidentally it also has a knife. That's the size of it. Not locked. In England you can't carry a locking knife. This doesn't lock, so I'd be worried about how I used it if I was in a survival situation, e.g. trying to cut things, because obviously if it slips while your hand's there, you're going to be crying home to mama. But that has also got a serrated edge, which is quite nice. So, knife. Screwdriver head is silly me. It's in the top of it, so you can see a little magnet there. So yeah, oops, one's just fallen out. Okay, this little piece, screwdriver. It's focusing on me, not that. So yeah, that goes in the top. I feel like that's quite a They're quite small sizes, but I think that's quite a good sturdy. Feels like I could really use that, which is good. I was just wondering if these holes were actual spanner sizes, but they're not, or are they? No, it'd be brilliant if they were. Just use it as a spanner if you had to. Okay, so the question is, why is everyone going to need a little miniature axe? I did wonder that before I bought it. As we saw, the knife, it's a bit dodgy if you were using it. It should be alright because you're pushing against the way it closes, but it's also quite a slim blade, so I wouldn't be wanting to cut it, dull the edge, making wood shavings to start fires. That's where I think this will come in handy when you're looking to shave wood to get a fire started. I don't know if this will work or not, but it's not the best angle, but easily making shavings, and yeah, I imagine the little axe would last a lot longer than that, than a blade would. And it's quite sharp, and you got some shavings to make from wood. Let's try on a log. So today we bought some firewood. So dried log. Yeah, it's the same. Making little, sorry it's hard to see here, little curly shavings afterwards. So that's why I would use that. I can't imagine chopping much with it. Maybe little branches, but yeah, no, I'm not sure. So chopping. Oh, that's not bad. Try and, I mean, obviously I'm holding it in one hand, so I'm not really getting much power. Jumping a little bit out. So yeah, I guess you could chop things. Just chopping, little chipping away. Chipping, not chopping. So yeah, I like the pliers. They've got the wire cutter little bits in the corners of the hinge. They feel like they would cut things. The knife feels sharp. Yeah, and you've got this for making your little shavings tinder. Don't need that today because I've got petrels. So in case you're wondering, that's my camera setup. That's what I take for using I'm doing sort of still shots. So I've got, obviously I've got the tripod here, main Canon M50, got a light attached to it. It's getting dark now. External mic, which is a nightmare to remember to turn back off once you've finished using it. So yeah, there you have it. Okay, so that was the multi-tool. I'm going to be reviewing this, cooking this, but that's going to be our dessert. So we'll wait for the fire to cool down a bit to see how it is to actually prep on a campfire. 2,325 calories. So that's for the average person with a little bit of mild activity. Emergency ration food. zero gluten, zero lactose, and it's vegan. Zero lactose. Sometimes when I'm thinking of what I'm saying on camera, it just comes out all, you know, how it comes out. Ingredients is baked rice, palm fat, sugar, rice protein. So they put rice in it, then they take extra rice protein and put it in. That's some commitment to protein. Natural flavourings. I'm hoping it's some like ready break, nice porridgey like thing. Oh, you can eat it dry as well, which is good. Yeah, that don't sound fun. So the food's arrived, takeaway today. Not amazingly interesting, I guess, but we got Chinese, eating Chinese by the fire. On a Monday night, why not enjoy your garden? What did you get, Maz?
Mm?
What did you get? Oh, you're enjoying it. Mm?
Mushroom chop suey.
Mushroom chop suey, because Maz is the majority of the time vegan, sometimes veggie, but generally vegan. Yeah, prawn curry, mini spring rolls, special fried rice. So yeah, just reading the instructions on it. It says you can eat it dry, or you can crumble it into boiling water. It says chew it slowly. Interesting. I guess if you ate a big brick of it, it would just dehydrate you, turn into a skeleton. It's not suitable for children under 6 months. It says turn into porridge for infants, but I would like to try it as an adult because I don't like the thought of just chewing rice bricks. I'll try it, but porridge sounds a lot nicer. That has not taken long at all to start bubbling, or just start hissing, getting ready. But yeah, it's bubbling on the edges already. Been on literally for a minute. So, little bits of ash in it. Oh, fuck it. It's easy open, but it's, you can see it's vacuum packed in some fairly sturdy plastic. And let's rip it. Oh wow, it's in little biscuits. I like that. Individual rice bickies. So we can save some for the future. Although I'm sure once it's just in these, they don't last as long. Shall I try one?
Yeah, go on.
Oh no. That's a bit mental. I really don't know what to make of that. I mean, if you're dying of hunger.
Is it nice?
I don't think it's, I don't know, it's not horrible, it's just the world has ended, this is all I have. Yeah, I'm alive. Actually, maybe my taste buds are getting accustomed once I said apocalypse. It's quite nice in apocalypse. I'll take that back. Obviously, it's hard for them to make something that lasts that long. Do you want to have a little taste, Maz?
Yeah, go on then. It's like sand.
It's like sand.
It tastes alright though.
Yeah, it's kind of a crazy texture, isn't it?
You know what? Dunked in a cup of tea, that'd be alright as a biscuit.
Yeah, Maz would rather have tea bags stockpiled than any other thing other than food, even more than toilet paper.
I quite like it.
Yeah, don't eat it all. Got to
It's also really high calorie.
put some in my bowl of ashy water.
You want to eat the ash?
Yeah, man,
Okay. How much shall I put?
the whole thing.
Oh. Maybe we should have crumbled it into.
Oh, they did say crumble it in.
Oh.
Oops. Take it out and then crumble it. Right, well guys, obviously, if it's the apocalypse, then don't do what we just done.
Let's put more ash in.
More ash. Why is ash content always on dog food labels? It's like, how is ash relevant?
Oh no, look, that's
Oh yeah, it's getting there.
maybe it takes a while to thicken up or something as well.
Takes a while to thicken up. I thought it would just be listening to you and make it pretty thick.
Shut up. Yeah, that's actually quite good.
Alright, do you want to taste it, babe?
Yeah. I feel like Oliver Twist.
Oliver Twist.
Yeah. Bowl of gruel.
Gruel. And tell us what you think of your gruel, darling.
It's alright.
It's alright.
It's still grainy. Are you sure you're not meant to cook it?
No.
Alright.
No, I'm not sure, but it said no.
Alright.
It didn't say no, and it didn't say cooking instructions.
It's kind of grainy. Isn't it? It's like porridge, but it's grainy, but it tastes what? It's Fiji.
Yes. But, scone.
I was gonna fling it at your face, but you let me hold that.
No, man.
Go on, have a proper spoon. Just eat another spoon.
What do you mean it's nice? Like it.
I don't like it.
I'd be depressed. I'd be skinny.
Go on, have one more spoon.
Why?
It's good for you.
It's not. It's leaving a... My mouth is just feeling wrong. You eat this to numb your taste buds first.
I really don't think it's that bad.
Okay. How hard?
Should we see if the dogs like it?
Yeah.
What's in it? What's the ingredients?
Rice.
Rice. Right, we'll check it all properly. But yeah.
Well,
Has it got thicker as well? Let's show.
it's kind of like semolina, but
Yeah, it's thickened up quite a bit.
not as nice. But
It has kind of got the consistency of wallpaper paste a little bit. That's what it sort of looks like.
I reckon the bastards have just put wallpaper paste in.
No, it's not. It's definitely not wallpaper paste. But it kind of reminds me of that.
It's still...
Do you want another one?
Another what?
Look,
Another tongue.
I thought you might want
Replace the one that's just been ruined.
to finish it off with a coffee and a dry one to dunk.
I would prefer to eat it dry, actually.
I quite liked it dry. Yeah.
And this is, to be fair, this is proper long life survival.
Yeah, it is emergency feed.
Compared to, you know, like an MRE, military MRE doesn't have anywhere near the lifespan, so...
But that whole pack is, I believe that is like a day's worth of calories. If you had no other food, I think for, I don't know, maybe the average man or something. And that was about £7. So that's not cheap either. That's like gourmet survival food, isn't it? But yeah, if you had no other food, you'd need to eat a whole pack a day to maintain your weight, I guess.
Current muscle mass.
Just to put that into perspective. So
yeah, I'm going to fold these up. I've got a reason to hope the apocalypse doesn't come over now, because I would like zombies though.
I think we should have a dinner party and give that to the guests.
Yeah. They've got to all eat a bowl of it, otherwise they can't leave. But yeah, on that great conclusion, multi-tool, yes, survival food, yes, but it is what it says it is, survival food. You're surviving on it. So thanks for checking in with us. Please like and subscribe, and that's about it. See you next time. Bye.